Our last speaker is Dave Sencer. And as everybody in this room knows, that this weekend of events would not have occurred without Dave Sencer. But I'd like to extend that further. Smallpox eradication would not have been achieved without Dave Sencer. Let's give him a hand of welcome.
If I hear that one more time, I might believe it.
It wouldn't have been eradicated without Dave Sencer.
I've been around long enough not to try and follow Bill Foege when he gives a sermon. I'd like just to say a few things, though. As you look around the room, the people who worked in the smallpox program were predominantly male, predominantly white. But that's what public health was in this country in those years. As you look in the back at our new EIS officers, you're seeing a different distribution. And I think that's going to make a great contribution to the rest of the world. We've heard other people talk about the fact this wasn't a WHO victory, it wasn't a United States victory, it wasn't a developing world victory. It was really a victory of the people in the countries that were afflicted. And unfortunately, we only have one person here today to represent those millions and millions of people who contributed the manpower, the brains, the know-how, and the will to turn their governments into vehicles for better health. Dr. Dutta, would you stand up, please? Now to bread and butter. Lunch is available. We're running late. I think Stan said take your lunch down to the Global Health Odyssey. Please don't. Only those people who are going to be involved in the discussions of 2010 do that. We don't have room for the rest of you down there, but there will be lunch available outside. I want to thank all of you for coming, not just the people up front who traveled to come here, but those who came to hear. Unfortunately, the smallpox group, only about a third of all of the people who worked for CDC, who worked in Africa and Asia, are here today. This is a big group. You see that we have over 85 people here today who were in the program. And when you think that's only a third of it, it was a sizable group of people whose lives were changed and who helped change others.
I want to thank everybody for their participation and travel safe.